Hello guys, I think checking on this answer you gave today on the thermochemistry question that I asked you in the morning. Let me show you. I go a different answer on the enthalpy of the reaction. Let me explain you what I go on this reaction, and that will help you. Okay, you need to find the enthalpy of this reaction. So you need to create or combine the following reaction, the one that you have below, in such a way that will give you these three reactions that you have here. You need to combine in such a way that they will give you as a result the equation on the first one. Let me start with the first one, number one. On the product here, you have CH2H2. So you need to flip or invert the following reaction number one in order to have the CH2 in the product. So I will have CH2H6 on the reactant, and then as a product I will have the CH2H2 plus 2 hydrogen. That will be the first one. And because I flipped the reaction, I need to change the sign of the enthalpy. That will be now the enthalpy will be positive. That will be 84.5 kilojoule. Let me rewrite here, 84.5 kilojoule. So the next one, let me skip number two for a moment. I'm going back to number two in the moment. But let's say on this one, we need to have carbon dioxide and water as a reactant. So I need to also change or flip the reaction. So carbon dioxide and 3 water should be on the reactant, because on this reaction, the one that we are finding the enthalpy of the reaction, they have carbon dioxide and water. So I will flip that reaction too, and as a product, I will get CH2A6, and as another product will be 7/2 oxygen. So that will be the second one. And I also will flip, the sign of the negative 283 will become enthalpy now positive 283. So the last one that I want to use is this one. Why I need to use this one? Notice that we don't have on the original equation, on this one, we don't have hydrogen in the product. So we need to get rid of hydrogen. And the only way we can get rid of hydrogen is by reversing this reaction. So I'm going to reverse this reaction so I can cancel out the hydrogen from this with this one here. So reversing that reaction, hydrogen will go to the reactant, 1/2 of oxygen, and producing water. And because I reverse that reaction, the enthalpy here will become negative now. So that will be enthalpy will be negative 71.2. And now I'm ready to cancel out and do the addition of all the chemical reaction. And I noticed that I had 2 hydrogen on this one here. So I need to multiply this one by 2 so I can easily get the 2 hydrogen that I need to cancel out. Let me pick a different color for canceling. So these 2 hydrogen will cancel with these 2 hydrogen. Then I have the C2H6 cancel with this one here, and 2 water will cancel with just 3, and then I will have 1 water remaining, and the 2/2 oxygen I left it like a fraction, so that will be easy to understand. If I have on the right 7/2 minus 2/2, that will be 5/2. So I cancel this 2/2 oxygen, so I will have 5/2, which is the same one I have on the final reaction. So let me get a blue color now. to write down the equation. So that will be 2 carbon dioxide plus 1 water producing the CH2 as a product plus 5 half of oxygen. And if we check that equation here with the one that was asking for, that will be the final equation, except that I skipped the aggregation state. So now I need to add 84.5 plus 283.0, because I don't have any decimal on that one. That will give me 5, 7, 16, 366, 3.67.5, and I need to subtract that one, this value here that I have in the negative, but because I multiply by 2, I need to, let me again multiply in one corner quickly here, 71.2 times 2, that will be 4, 2 times 1, 2, and 2 times 7, 14, 142.4. So I need to subtract this one, 1.42.4. So the final enthalpy will be 1, 5, 6 minus 4 will be 2, and 3 minus 1 will be 2. So the answer is 225.1 kilojoule. So 7 of you answered this one, I guess, by picking the most closest answer, but I think maybe the closest one will be 223. So my answer will be no. I don't know how you go to 35, but we can check that again on the next class. So you can explain me why you go 235 as a correct answer, why my calculation is giving me 225. Thank you for watching. Hopefully that will clarify some of the questions you asked me today.